pentane envelope structure, we're going to take the flap of the envelope, so to speak, and bring it upwards, such that all these carbons that I'm outlining are in plane. And that brings us to this structure. So 5 of these carbons are in plane. The dotted carbon is in plane with these 4 carbons. And then we can keep following this path with this carbon moving upwards. And as it moves upwards, you're going to have a peak form where we kind of have this boat structure. Kind of looks like a boat. And after that has been accomplished, we can now change from this carbon. We can now put our attention onto this carbon and have this carbon move downwards into the plane of these 4 carbons. And as it moves downwards, we can keep following that path and pushing it downwards such that it falls to the bottom right hand of the structure. And now what we have is another chair structure, but you'll notice that this chair structure and this chair structure look like mirror images of one another. They're not enantiomers, but rather they have just had bonds within the ring rotate freely enough such that they take on a different conformation. And these are conformations. And so this is the main idea behind a chair ring flip. You're going to have a chair that has the 2 main parallel lines